Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am testing a new fragrance, and this is for BeScented, of course. This is their original lavender. So I have been using this fragrance, I think, for 5 years, 4 years, however long BeScented's been around. This is one of their original fragrances, and it is fantastic. I have got some soaps that I made probably 4 years ago, and they still smell super strong. Problem is that the original fragrance manufacturer that made this fragrance for BeScented could no longer supply Jen with this fragrance. So I know Jen's been getting a ton of emails, a ton of complaints, a ton of when can you get it back, and she's tried everything and just she can't order it from the original manufacturer. So she sent it off to 2 of her other suppliers, and they both came back with what's called a duplication. So they dupe the same fragrance, and it's, as far as I can smell, it smells 100% the same, which is great. And so now it's just a matter of testing for acceleration, testing for ricing, testing for scent retention once the fragrance has, or once the soap has cured and in the process of curing. So I'm super excited because I'll be honest, I did stock up on this fragrance, so I'm good for a little bit. But it is one of my go-tos. I make lavender oatmeal soap, I make regular lavender soap, I make lavender bath bombs, I make lavender candles. I'd use this for a blend, I use it with patchouli. So my life without this lavender would be very different. So anyway, I was super excited to get this one. This is one of the samples, and then I've got another one that I'm going to test next. That will be my next video. Great news is that this fragrance did not accelerate and it did not rice. It was great. So I've got the soap cut, it's curing, and so we just kind of need to wait a couple weeks and just make sure that the scent does not fade in the soap, and then she should get it back within, hopefully within a month at this point. She'll have it back in stock, and then she won't have this issue with the lavender again. So I know it's kind of frustrating for everyone, myself included, but anyway, that's kind of some of the backstory that she told me about. So I'm just going to do primarily purple. Obviously, this does not have any vanillin in it, so it's not going to discolor. But I'm going to use the Magic Purple Mica from BeScented and just some TD. Do a little bit simple swirl. I just wanted to make it, I only got a little bit of the fragrance, so only got 1 ounce. I'm making a 2-pound batch, so I'm going to do, just use that and just cross my fingers that the fragrance holds out. So anyway, thanks for watching. I will be back for the cut. All right, so I got this beauty all done. She's all cleaned up. Gonna go stick her in the oven. I put her in the oven for about 24 hours. I don't turn it on, and then she pops right out of the mold. It's super nice, releases very easily. And so here we are for the cut. I was really happy with how these turned out. Now the difference is that the old original lavender, it did not smell great at the cut, and these do. So to me, that's a bonus. The other lavender, it took a couple days for the smell to come back. It kind of smelled like Play-Doh, but this smells really good. So I'm super excited, and I'm loving these swirls. Usually I don't get really nice swirls with the lavender. It tends to accelerate just a little bit. So this might actually be a step up. It might be lavender, you know, the original lavender bonus plus without some of the acceleration. And not that it accelerated badly. It was totally manageable, but it would get kind of thick, so you didn't have all day to play with it. But anyway, very happy with the design, happy with the swirls, and it smells great. So anyway, stay tuned to the BeScented group for more updates on when this fragrance will be back. Thanks, have a great day.